Hello guys, my name is Mark Di Potenciano from IT14 and I will make a file directory in Linux. So first of all, we need to minimize this. Then let me fix my headset first. Let's open our Oracle VirtualBox. Then here we already have a OS of a Linux, operating system of a Linux. So let's start. Let me wait a bit. Hope you can hear me well. Here we can log in our password, input our password, press enter. Here from the left upper corner, let's click this. Then in search bar, we need to search the terminal. Enter. So here we can execute our command. The first command we are using is mkdir or make directory, create directory. So our file name lab1. Oh, I think I have an existing file. So let me delete this first. Move to trash. X. So this lab1. Enter. Then we need to we need to go to the file that we create. So let's cd lab1. And here we go. We're inside the file. So the next is we need to create a file inside our our file lab. So first is touch or create a new file. Our file file name is file1 text. Then we need two. So just copy the first one, then 2.txt and press enter. So here the next command is cat or create a dis display a content either. So this, then our file name that we want to create a display 1.txt, and here we go. We're inside the file, so we can type a word. So this my name, Mark Dave T. Shano. Then press enter. As you can see here, we need to control D. Control D is like a you go back button. So we're all set in file. So we need to change the permission to read and write only. So the command is chmod or change file permission 600, because 600 means read and write. So the file that we want to change the permission, that text, then click, I enter, I mean, so ls, then L. As you can see here, this there's only R and W. That mean that is we change the permission to read and write only. So cat, I will go again to the file one, cat file one dot txt. So you can see here earlier the word that we input in the file one, you can see it here now. So that's all. We need to kill this, then go to file. As you can see here, the the the, the directory that we create, file 1. Let's go. Then this is the file that we input or yo discard. Oh, this is the file that we enter yesterday, my name. Then this is the second file. There's no this empty because we don't have a content right here. So we need to check the permission. If the permission is changed, let me pin let me properties, then permission. As you can see here, the owner, me, then the access is read and write only. So that's all for today. I hope you follow the basic command for creating a file directory in Linux. Thank you for watching.